For instance, I had a patient that had a frozen shoulder, and so we know that there's like 6 different channels that run through the shoulder, and I explained to them all the different channels and their functions, and the inability to move it in a certain position correlates directly to that channel, and then it correlates with what points I'm treating, because it's all interrelated. So that's one aspect of combining Western anatomy and Western movement with traditional Chinese medicine. And then I talked to them, of course, about the environmental factors. So like for this specific patient, she was sleeping and had the air conditioning on her neck every single night. And so we know that cold can enter the channels, specifically through the yang channels in the back, and that can really affect a person's ability to move. So once she realized that that was happening all the time, and she moved the air conditioning away from her neck, her condition actually improved quite a bit. So that's how you kind of work with someone's movement and combining it with the Eastern philosophies and things like that.